everybody and welcome back to Relax My Dog. Today me and Milo are going to be talking to you about what you can do if you have an anxious pet around New Year's, especially when you have fireworks going. Firstly, I want to say I hope you all had an amazing Christmas if you celebrate it, and I hope you're all getting ready for the New Year celebrations as well and to introduce 2018 with a bang. As some of you guys may know, me and Milo have been doing a giveaway on this channel where we're going to be giving away a pet cube bite. Today we're going to be introducing the winner at the end of this video, so do stay tuned to find out if you are the lucky winner. But for now, let's just get started with our top tips. Now, the first thing to understand is that parties, like for humans, aren't for everyone, especially for dogs. Loud music, shouts, people having fun, laughter and anything like that can be really daunting for a dog who is very anxious, as this can actually make your dog feel like they are under attack a little bit, as that can make your dog aware of everything around them and it can actually make them very scared and anxious. And it's on these nights that dogs are more likely to run away or to hide away from their owners. Okay, so tip number one that you may want to do is to confine your pet. Do they have a favourite hiding place? Do they have a crate that they can go in? Do they have a particular area or room in your house that they like to feel comfortable in? Because if so, that is probably the perfect place for you to place your dog. This will then create a little bit of safety for your dog and a little bit of security that they are going to be okay and that all the noises that they are hearing are absolutely fine. However, it's important to understand that if they haven't grown up with a crate or a cage, that it can actually be quite stressful for them, and it can make them even more stressful than if they were not in a crate because they feel like they are too confined in that particular area. Now, tip number two is to use music to distract your pet. Make sure this is calming music and not thud music or rock music or anything like that, because that, if your dog doesn't like that, then that won't be the best thing for you to use. Also, make sure you're using a volume that is just to distract the dog. Don't make it super loud, because then it can be even more stressful for your dog to listen to. Another thing is, if your dog likes watching TV, maybe set them up in another room and put the TV on, and that might help them a little bit more as well. Now, tip number three is something that Milo absolutely loves, because we use this regularly if we are going to be listening to fireworks or anything like that, and that is to give them quite a lot of exercise, whether that is going for walks or just playing out in the garden or throwing a ball for him. He absolutely loves that, and it does really tire him out. So make sure you are exercising your dog as much as possible, so when they get in the house they'll just go straight to sleep and they are completely relaxed for the whole night and they don't have enough energy to become stressful then. Now, number four is another great one that Milo absolutely loves, and that is to just distract your pet from whatever's going on. This can be by using food puzzles, like the little stuffed toys you can get where you stuff treats in there and they can just be distracted for hours on end, or introducing some new toys that again can keep your dog distracted, or anything else that you know will distract your dog. Milo has recently become absolutely addicted to socks, so we could just give him some socks and he will be gone for hours. Now, number five is one that can be used obviously as a last resort, and that is by dropping your dog off with family or friends. Obviously, if a dog is super anxious around laughter, fireworks, anything around the New Year scene, then it might be a good idea to drop them off with friends or family, just somewhere that you know aren't celebrating as much as you are at your house. Now, if you are going away when you are celebrating, if you're going to another friend's house, we do have a previous video that talks all about if you're leaving your dog home alone, so if you want to see that, definitely do check that out on our channel. So that is it for our top 5 tips that you can introduce with your anxious dog around the New Year celebrations. Now it is time to pick out our giveaway winner. So as you guys may know, we have been doing our giveaway on our YouTube page. There we are. And then it's time to pick a winner from our community tab. So here is our giveaway post. We got 59 entries, as you can see at the bottom there, because 59 people commented their most interesting top tip for how best to leave your dog home alone. So let's have a look at the comment and pick our winner. And the winner of our giveaway is Abby Staley. She normally goes on a walk before she leaves the house. Then while they get ready to depart, they turn on the Relax My Dog music, which we have on this channel. So well done to Abby, you have won this giveaway. Do email the email address on screen now and we will send over your prize. And that is it for me and Milo. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you learned anything new. Also, don't forget to leave your comments down below if you have a particular top tip that you are going to be using around New Year's. is. Also don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button next to the subscribe button so you are notified every single time we upload a brand new video. And I hope you all have an amazing new year, and me and Milo will see you next time for next week's video. Bye!